Morning, everybody. Today we have a Grand Cherokee. This transmission have a damage in mini clutch, in mini speed, so we will make a repair for this complete gear. Of course, we take outside all the components of the gear, and we bring this seal kit. It's complete seal kit to change the clutch and make repair for all the gear. It's a Grand Cherokee 94 model, 2414 model. We will start work in this gear and we will make complete gear from A to Z. That's all, and I hope to follow me step by step to see how they will come this gear. Thank you very much. Everything is ready, and also we close the motherboard or control valve, and with the new filter now we will close everything. Now gear is ready and we can fix it for the car, and I hope he will be 100%.